Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a golden opportunity by TCS for the student of 2019 and 2020. So friends, TCS is again going to hire. Yes, you heard it correctly. So the special edition of TCS NQT for the TCS hiring only for the graduates of 2019 and 2020. So friends, again the opportunity has come to you. Okay, and friends, I will say this is the golden opportunity for the student, those who have graduated in 2019 and 2020. And if you had a dream of getting selected in TCS, then this is the opportunity. And friends, this time TCS itself is going to hire. That means you don't have to wait. You don't have to wait for the TCS attached company. Like what I want to say here is, so you do not have to wait for the brands that acknowledge TCS NQT. So TCS is going to hire, and using this special edition of TCS NQT for TCS hiring. Friends, the test date will be 10th of March 2021. Friends, you already know for the 2021 batch, okay, and 18, 19 and 20 also. So the test date is on 18th, 19th and 21st of February 2021, and the registration was closed on 10th of February. But this is a special edition of TCS NQT for TCS hiring and only for 2019 and 2020 batch. And test date is, friends, 10th of March 2021. Okay, even you will be getting the sample test link from here, and you can also see your scores of TCS NQT, which the exam which happened in October 2020. Now, friends, what you have to do is you have to click on register now. Okay, so once you click on register now, then if you have already logged in, then you can fill the details here. Okay, so I mean, if you have already created the account, then you can fill the details here, or else you can create the account. I'm damn sure that everybody will have an account. Okay, now so once you log in, then you can see once you register basically. So if I okay, so let me try my email ID and password. Okay, so if I try to log in here, then yes, so I'll be redirected to this particular page. So thank you for your interest in TCS National Qualifier Test, TCS NQT. Only graduates with BE BTech, ME MTech, MCA, MSc degree who are passed out in the year 19 and 20 are eligible to apply for this special edition of TCS NQT. So if you are from 2021 batch, 2018 batch, and if we have done BCom, BSc, then you are not applicable. Okay, only BE BTech, ME MTech, MCA and MSc. Friends, any stream like from civil, mechanical, computer science, electrical, electronics, you will be able to apply for that. Please go through the additional eligibility criteria for TCS hiring. Candidates who do not meet the eligibility criteria should register for the next TCS NQT when registrations are open. So additional eligibility criteria for the special edition, friends: 60% or 6 CGPA throughout in academics, highest qualification, only full-time course, no extended education. Okay, that means distance learning and other things will not be considered. No active backlogs, and gap duration is not beyond 27 months until highest qualification. So 27 months means it is 2 years and 3 months. Okay, please fill the following form to complete the registration process for March 2021. The exam is going to happen on 10th of March 2021. Ensure to enter your correct details like email ID and mobile number etc, as this will be used for test related communication. Do not do any mistake, friends. Many times a student says, sir, this is a mistake which I have done, right? Okay, you can log in to change your application anytime before the registration closing date. Once the registration is closed, your application cannot be edited. All the filled marks are mandatory with the stars. Okay, now, so friends, here you have to fill the details here. Okay, and now, friends, in our newly launched videos, okay, so we are also going to consider, I mean, make the videos for psychometric test. Okay, we are also going to make the video for accountant. So all those things also we are going to cover in that part. Okay, so friends, this video will give you the details of the exams which is going to happen in the March 2021. And definitely friends, we will be also making the videos on how to fill all the details. Okay, so which is very simple. So you have to fill your name. So you can see already some details has been filled. So yeah, I will just fill some more details. So yes, so some random details I will fill, friends, because I do not have to apply for this particular exam, right? So I have got a OTP 346 and this. Okay, now validate the OTP. OTP has been validated successfully. And here I have all the red mark, red star mandatory fields we have filled. Now, so educational qualification details. So Bachelor of Engineering. Here you can select right. So graduation month and year. So it is 19 and 20. Okay. And friends, then you have to fill your institute name. So you have to click here and then you will be able to fill. And test details. So upcoming test. So this is special edition of NQT has mandatory test. So NQT cognitive and subject programming variants. Hence these two tests are pre-selected for you and you will not be allowed to choose other product variants for the March examination. So NQT is the prerequisite for choosing the other test. Please be ensured that the exams scheduled are not overlapped. So you have to just see that your exams is not going to overlap your college examination. Then examination details, friends. So where you want the examination, because most of the exams are now happening offline. So you can select that. And are you a person with a disability? No. And then you can select your upload your image here, and then you will be able to put the text. And then you have to click on I understand, and then you have to click on submit. Okay, so friends, this is a special edition. This is not a special edition. Basically, this is a golden opportunity for you. So if you miss this, then definitely friends, getting into TCS as a fresher or getting into TCS will be still your dream. So you might get after some experience after 2 or 3 years. So friends, put all your effort and then try to get into TCS. And friends, the TCS NQT 2021 new pattern preparation kit for all stream with basic concepts is already there on our app. So this link will be also given in the description. So friends, total 250 videos are there. So friends, do not wait, because this, as I said, this is a golden opportunity. And definitely friends, you should go for it. So this material is highly recommended, you can see, and this has all the things which is required. So friends, get the material today, and this March you are definitely going to get into TCS. Thank you, friends.